Page 16, this is the one at the bottom, playing by ear. It's just the first few measures of the song Happy Birthday. Very common song, a song in a lot of countries all over the world. I mean, it's not the only happy birthday song there is. And what they want you to do is try and figure out the rest of the song. They give you this part. And then what's the rest of it? And by ear, you're doing it by ear. You're just listening. And then where is it? And you just experiment. No, 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 there. There, something like that. You figure out the song by listening. I just did it for you. Oops. Try a different play. This is in C major. Do somewhere else. Instead of here, say start somewhere else. Start here. Here. Oh. See, it's a different key. I just sent it to another key. I transposed it. But then try and figure it out by ear, what you can do. And then that second one is Frère Jacques. Then what's the rest of the song? No, you do it. I've already done it. The idea is to be able to pick out a melody. Maybe you've heard a melody on TV or the radio or something. And what is that? You try and pick out the melody. And then eventually you'll add chords to it to get harmony. And then eventually you'll start messing around with it and playing around with it and improvise and stuff. We'll just stick with this for now. Just try and pick out a melody. Find a melody, a common melody you like, something, and see if you can figure out most of the melody. You don't, if it's a long song, you don't have to do the whole thing. Just part of it is fine. When I was teaching, I would assign this sort of thing. I would use the Do Re Mi song, Do, a deer, a female deer. I'd tell them, go play that by ear, figure out the melody. And then once they could do that, then I'd say, okay, let's find some chords and some harmony and work it out that way. Use any common song that's well known that people know about, something, anything, I don't care. Works.